This is the Motion Raceworks Coyote engine travel limiter kit. It comes with this backing plate, some bolts that hook right onto the old motor mount location. And then it comes with this billet aluminum bracket right here, and the backing plate is slotted and it has a dowel hole in the center to line it up, so you can rotate it to whatever angle you want. It's got bolts on the back. And then it comes with the rod ends, the tube ends, a piece of tube, and then it comes with the other tube end with the rod end with some tabs on it. So basically you can just set it wherever you want. You know, this is going to come back to the frame back here, right in front of the mid plate, and you find the center. You know, angle that center bracket till it's not binding your rod end. Mark it, torque it down. So it's pretty cool. I was going to make one, but for the price of this thing, it's kind of stupid to try to make one. So nice product, guys.